You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this brand name manufacturing company from Watsonville, California. If you want to learn more brand names and names from astronomy, planets, stars and beyond that are very confusing, stay tuned. Pronounced in English as Meade Telescopes, or the company name is Meade Instruments. Meade, yes, not Meade, no, English pronunciation Meade Telescopes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.